Hey you guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the last video I uploaded. I told you guys that I would make it into a 2-part. In this video, I'm going to be applying these full cover clear nails that you see over here. And I haven't really decided like what color I'm gonna use yet or what I'm gonna do. I was saying that I did want to try the TikTok nail hack I've been seeing of them doing the tips with the jelly stamper. So I said maybe, I'm not sure yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buff over them a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I am done gluing on the nails, and the color I decided to pick is this China Glaze purple called That's Sure Bright. And I'm also going to do an accent nail with, I think I'm going to put some glitter on, but I wanted to do a color. That's what I'm looking for. I think it's this one. So I'm also going to do a nail with this blue. This one you don't need a top or base coat, but this one you need a base and a top coat. Also with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the blue color. Do the base coat and stuff for that. These are the gel colors that I got off of AliExpress. So I haven't used the blue yet, and I don't think I've used that glitter yet either. I have another glitter. I think I used the other one, but not this one. So with these nails being clear, you can see that you can see the glue dried up under the nail, because I did kind of want to do a negative space, but with the glue showing like that, I don't want to do it that way. See how this blue works out. It's really pretty. It's almost like a periwinkle. I don't know if this is gonna match. I hope it matches good with the purple. Now that I look at it, let's see. Okay, so this is 2 coats in the blue. I was thinking about doing a third, but I don't want to mess it up and it look too chunky. So, oh wait, I forgot to do the top coat. I was about to move on to the purple. Let me go ahead and do the top coat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the nails that I'm going to do the purple glaze on. Since I'm gonna do purple on most of the nails, I want to go ahead and try the little nail hack that I was talking about and see if it works with this gel polish. I'm gonna go ahead and try it first, since if I mess up, all I have to do is just finish polishing the whole nail if it doesn't work, because they make it look so easy, but I just don't know. But I know if you guys have seen how they're taking the polish and applying the polish onto the stamp and then going like this on the nail to make like a French tip. So I want to see if that really works. So let's try it. I don't know how much polish they're using, We'll just put it on here and see. All right, let's see. So I think they're just going down. Almost. It's a little crooked. It looks like I probably needed more polish, so let's try. Not too bad. So I guess all you would have to do is just take your cleanup brush and clean the line up, but I went a little sideways there. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, you can just clean it up. So I guess it does work. And then they were doing it where they were doing like thin lines too. Like that on the sides. Somewhat. Okay. So that is a cute little fun way to do a cute little manicure. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish polishing the nail that I just practiced that on. Get a little bit more polish on here and just work with what I have on this tip already. First coat is done on the left hand. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the right hand and do the purple. I'm gonna start with the purple on this one instead of the blue. I'm gonna do the blue on a different finger on this hand. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and finished this hand with just the first coat. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on this hand with the second coat of the purple. I'm still deciding what I want to do with my thumbs. I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and do them blue or do the purple or do the glitter only. So I'm just thinking about it as I go. Usually when I do my nails, I don't really have it planned out, and that's probably not good. I probably need to start planning out what I want to do. But it's really hard when you have so much stuff to use and so many colors to use. It's just so hard to pick something right away. So I kind of like to work on them, see what the colors look like, and then match, you know, something to it, or, you know, nail art or some charms or something if I'm going to do that. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm done polishing all the nails. I just went ahead and finished them. Put the second coat on each, and it's still a little bit see-through. Like, I probably could have went for another thin third coat, but I didn't want to take the chance and have it, like, kind of see how this one's doing on the side. It's a little blurry. Jeez, it's hard to see, but you know how, like, it wrinkles a little bit, so I didn't want it to, you know, to do that. I was going to do these spinning charms, but once I took it out and looked at them, they're more Christmassy, so I'm gonna wait to use these. And I think I'm gonna do stickers, these butterfly stickers. I did want to try to put a glitter like border around my thumb with the stamper, but I'm so scared I'm gonna mess up, and like if I wipe it off, it's gonna be a complete mess. So I don't think I'm gonna try that, but I think I am gonna apply some of the butterfly stickers and then just be done. So I have gold and silver, and I don't know which ones to try. I've definitely, I don't know if I've put the butterflies on my nails or just my mom's. I can't remember, but I think both colors would look nice. What do you think? Silver butterflies or gold butterflies?
Silver.
Alright, hubby said silver. Okay, so I'm thinking the big, like these two wings on the pointers, and then maybe a little something on the ring fingers, and maybe the thumb. So yeah, I'm gonna do these. Alright, so I hope I get this on here, not crooked. I wanted to get it a little closer to the edge, you know, so when I put them together, but hey, it's on there. Alright, let's see if I can work this next one off of here. I'm not used to these long nails either. Lord, oh my gosh, dropping everything. This is probably gonna be completely off. Tell you, mine never looks like the Instagram pictures. Like, they make it look so simple, so easy, so cute than me. But I'm trying. All right, so let's do this size here. Do on the middle finger, or no, ring finger. Okay, it's cute. I think it's cute. All right, so I noticed that they have like some little flowers down here, and there's like butterflies on top of them. So I think I'm gonna do one of these on the thumb. What do y'all think? I think they're cute. I feel like I might add a little tiny one to the top of these. And then I'm wondering if I should go over it with the gel top coat and cure it. So I might do that. I might add this tiny one to it. Okay, y'all, I did it. I added the little mini butterfly to the top. I just felt like it needed something else. This is how the thumbs look, and I like them. I think they turned out cute. They may even look cute with like a little couple of rhinestones there or something, but I don't want nothing too flashy, just little nice, simple. I think I will go over it with the gel top coat and cure it just to make sure the stickers stay on. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys liked part 2 of this video, and you guys like the colors. So pretty. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, click the like button, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new. Turn on post notifications so you guys will know when I upload my next video. And yeah, bye y'all.